Back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup look for you guys using the new Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette, and this is Juvia's Place First All Matte palette. So of course you know I reviewed a lot of Juvia's Place products on my channel. I think I have every single palette that she's come out with, and I honestly love her formula. So this is just an all matte palette, which the shadows are so creamy and they blend so well, and they look really nice on the eye. So I think that this palette will pair really well with, you know, all shimmer palettes that are out there. Two that I know for sure is the Juvia palette, the Skinny Dip palette, and Rihanna has an all shimmer palette. So palettes like this will pair really well with those, or all matte palettes do really well on their own, and they're super easy looks to do. Like, it didn't take me long at all to come up with this look, and I absolutely love it. This is a look that you can just do when you're on the go, or you're trying to do your makeup really fast and you know you want to make it look really pretty, but you didn't have to put that much effort into it. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you the palette. So this is just how the packaging looks. And this is the inside of the palette. So I think that this is a really nice fall palette. Like, you can get a really nice brown smoky eye. You can do your really nice black smoky eye. The possibilities are really pretty much endless with this palette. So right here at the bottom you have a cool tone row. Then you have pretty much your warm tones up here. And I absolutely love this palette. This one is kind of like a, maybe like a dark brown, kind of grayish looking shade, and I didn't use this shade, but I did swatch the palette for you guys today. So yeah, there's really not much to say about the palette because, like I said, I reviewed Juvia's Place on my channel before, and Juvia's Place is no stranger to any of us. If you are, you should definitely go and check her out. Juvia's Place is sold in Ulta now, so it's a little bit easier for you to get your hands on it if you don't really want to order and wait for it to come. You can always go into your local Ulta and pick it up. So I think this palette retailed for $24, I want to say. I'll have the exact price in the description box down below, and I did pre-order it when it came out, but I know that it is for sale now. So yeah, I created this really simple look, and I'm just going to show you a tutorial on how I created this look, as well as swatches on Juvia's Place First All Matte palette. So I'm just going to show you guys the palette again quickly, because I don't want to make this video too long. And all of the shades are like really buttery to the touch. When I swatched them all, they were so buttery. They swatched really nice. They apply on the eyes really nice, but I mean, I don't think any of us are really surprised by that. So yeah, those are my thoughts on this palette. If I butcher some of these names, I mean, yeah, I'm going to try to do the best I can when I show you guys the swatches. But yeah, if you guys want to see swatches on this palette as well as a tutorial on this look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off by showing you the front of the palette, and this is how the inside of the packaging looks. Very beautiful colors. So on the swatches, I just decided to put the names of the swatches, and I'm going to start from this side over because I didn't want to butcher the names. So this is the second row of the palette. And then the last row of the palette. Alright, now this is just swatches of the entire palette. As you can see, they're very pigmented. They swatched really nicely. And here is just a quick overview of the palette. And now we're going to move on to the tutorial. So now I'm just going to take that middle burnt orange shade. I'm going to use this as my transition color. And I am starting out with my base already done, and I didn't even have any powder under my eyes, guys, and I did not experience any fallout with this palette. Alright, next I'm going to go directly into the crease with that deep burgundy-ish shade. And then I'm going to pack that deep brown all over the lid. It's a very simple, quick, easy, really pretty look, and I really love the way it turned out. It took a lot of blending. I edited out a lot of the blending because I didn't want the video to be super long, and I just didn't want you to be sitting here watching me blend. But the shadows blended out really nicely. And now I'm just taking that brush with no product on it, and I'm just blending out those harsh edges. And then eventually I go back into that brown just to help me blend over those edges, and I go back and forth between the brown and the burgundy. Now I'm just going back into my transition color, and this is to blend everything together. Then I'm just going to mix those two bottom shades together, because you see I put the white only on this eye and it was like way too bright for me. So when I mixed them both together, the colors came out really pretty. Now I'm just going to add some liner and lashes. And now I'm back to finish the bottom lash line. You guys already know the drill with that. The same steps that I did on the top, I'm going to repeat in the crease. I'm sorry, on the bottom of the eye. And I did check the website. The palette is $20 and is currently sold out, but I'm pretty sure it'll be coming back in stock soon. So now I'm just going to go into one of my Juvia's Place blush palettes. I'm going to use that really pretty gold shade to highlight with today. I think this is the Saharian 2 blush palette. And then I'm just using that same highlighter on the inner tear duct as well as on my brow bone. Alright, and I just kept this part in here. You can just use any brown lip liner that you have. I'm using my Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in the shade True Brown K. And then I'm just going to use my Anastasia lip gloss, in Undressed. Alright, and that completes this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos from me. Until the next video.